Hi guys, this time I'll give you a tour of Hilton's first LXR hotels in the United States. It is called Oceana in Santa Monica. LXR Hotels and Resorts by Hilton is Hilton's luxury collection brand that was launched in 2019. This is the exterior view of the Oceana Hotel. As you can see, this is not an actual beachfront hotel, so in order to access Santa Monica Beach, you have to cross the street. This is the only pool in the building, and it is open air. The bathroom looks really nice and it is very spacious. I love the double sink, and the shampoo, the conditioner, and the shower gel all smell really good too. This hotel has underwent a $30 million renovation, and it was reopened in May of 2019. That's why you can see everything is pretty brand new. So this is the ocean view from the first floor. It would be nice if we had a higher floor, but it's not that bad. Next, we will take a look at the hotel environment. Here is the Sunset Terrace, and it is the rooftop lounge. After finished touring of the hotel, we decided to bike down to the Santa Monica Piers, which is about like 10 to 15 minute ride. That's it, and thanks for watching.